Have you ever seen a bird so colorful that it seems to be painted? Enter the world of the Mandarin duck, a stunning avian that captures hearts with its vibrant plumage. But did you know that these ducks are not just a pretty face? One mind-blowing fact about Mandarin ducks is their unique mating rituals. Unlike many other birds, the males are responsible for attracting mates with their dazzling colors and elaborate displays. They puff up their feathers, creating an eye-catching spectacle that showcases their beauty. This display is not just for show, it's a signal of their health and genetic fitness, which females keenly look for when selecting a partner. What makes this even more remarkable is that during the breeding season, the males can lose their radiant colors, adopting a more subdued palette to blend in and avoid predators while they court their partners. This fascinating adaptation highlights the delicate balance between attraction and survival in the wild. If you're captivated by the wonders of nature, take a moment to appreciate these gorgeous creatures. Like and subscribe for more astonishing insights into the animal kingdom and ignite your curiosity about wildlife. Don't miss out on the beauty that surrounds us.